Welcome to the personal property tour for 87 Bilsland Road in Glenrothes. This is a fantastic family home. It's a great starter property. It's a 2-bedroom terrace property. It's finished to a really great standard, move-in condition. You can see that from the presentation, even from the windows, etc. behind me. You've got a front garden, you've got a rear garden, all low maintenance, fully enclosed. It's in a prime location in Glenrothes as well. And I'll just flip the camera and take you on the tour. So as you can see, that's the property straight in front. So low maintenance garden, really nicely enclosed. What a gorgeous day. And I love the door with the big window to the side as well. It's really welcoming. And we'll take you on the tour. So we come straight into the lower hallway, which you can see is lovely and bright because you've got that big window and door at the front. So it makes it really spacious and bright. We'll start upstairs. So upstairs we go straight ahead into the family bathroom, as you'll see. So I love the tiling on the floor here, really lovely. So you have your WC, you've got your vanity wash hand basin, you've got your bath with your rainfall shower head and thermostatic control. But again, nice big windows in here, lovely and bright. So that's your WC. And then across from the hallway into the first of the doubles, so a good sized double room. Currently being utilised as a home office and work area. But again, really nice big window. Makes it nice and bright. Lovely space actually. Got this triple wardrobe, so that's a huge bonus. Easily getting a double bed in there as well, which is fabulous. And you have a little cupboard here as well. And it overlooks the garden, so nice and peaceful. So great countryside views actually, it's nice. And then from here we go back out into the hallway. And then we go into the second of the double rooms. Again, it's a great sized bedroom. You can see here plenty of room for furnishings as well. Lovely big window, so it's nice and bright. I'll show you from the other angle. So again, you can see lots of space. And you have a cupboard at the bottom as well. So great sized double room. And then we'll go downstairs. So you can see from here as well, that big window at the front door. It's letting in so much natural light, it's lovely. So you've great finishings down here as well. You have an understairs cupboard, so lots of space in there too. I like this, it's a little bit quirky too, which I like. So you have this built-in shelving area here too, so that's a handy little bit of space. Then we go into the kitchen. So your galley style kitchen, again, lovely and bright. You've got your window and the window coming through from the door. Nice and light. So you've got your integrated appliances, so you've got your hob and extractor, your dishwasher. And then across we have your double oven as well. Plenty of space for your white goods too. Window overlooking the garden. So again, cupboards this side. So lots of space in this kitchen. I love the display unit here as well. Really lovely. You can access the garden from the kitchen, but we're going to go straight into the lounge. So again, you can see the finish with the doors. So you come in, immediately you can see dining table, so it's a dining lounge, so lots of space. L-shaped sofa here. Again, creating a lot of space. And I love the double patio doors taking you out into the garden. Makes it nice and bright in here. So it's a good sized room. Let you see from this angle. So again, you can see really spacious. There's plenty of room for your dining furniture, as I say. And then you've got this beautiful big window to the front. So it really is a bright property. But we're going to head out into the garden and we're going to do that from the lounge. So you come straight out into this lovely decked area. It's a lovely day actually. You can see it's totally enclosed, the garden. You have a couple of outhouses here, which is great for additional space, and also additional storage here as well built in. You've got this great decked area. So great for entertaining. You can hear the water feature, it's lovely, nice and tranquil. I'm going to take you down the garden. So you can property. It's enclosed, which is fab if you have dogs, for the kids to play. They're pretty secure. There's a gate at the bottom as well. It takes you down to the bottom of the property so you can walk down the lane if you'd rather do that than come through the property. And you can see the house at the rear. I love the finish to the house. I love the windows, the doors. It looks fabulous. So to recap, 87 Bilsland Road in Glenrothes. It's a 2-bedroomed terraced property, move-in condition, in a prime location. So much on offer in this location actually. So you're close to the primary school. So you've got Wimbledon Primary School, not far. You're close to the town centre. You've got the health centre. You've got great commuter links. You're onto the bypass through to Kirkcaldy, over towards Cooper. Great train links obviously from Kirkcaldy and Cooper as well. So it's a really great area for commute. The property is listed with ourselves at the moment with offers over £110,000. If it's of interest to yourself, feel free to message me here directly. Alternatively, you can contact the team on 01333 427 114. And it's Perry at 5 Property TV. Take care. Bye bye.